The Platinum Pro Travelling Sprinkler is a great portable solution for irrigating lawns, paddocks, sport fields, lifestyle blocks, and more. The self-propelled design is great for water conservation, allowing the sprinkler to water a large area evenly as it retracts. With a hose length of 40 metres, this unit can service a total area of 5,000 square metres from a single central location. This travelling sprinkler combines several easy-to-use functions, including a variable speed setting, allowing you to adjust the overall water distribution time by adjusting the hose reel retraction speed. Once the sprinkler is fully retracted, the auto shut-off kicks in, so you don't have to worry about flooding an area. With a durable 20mm diameter hose and strong brass connectors, this machine is built to last. The Platinum Pro Travelling Sprinkler is available now at topmac.co.nz. Make sure you get on down and check out our full range of lawn and garden equipment. I'm Sam from TopmaQ, and we'll see you next time.